So I reviewed the Bullets Wireless Z and it was already a great product. It was very good in terms of build quality, battery life and sound quality. But a lot of people had complaints with bass, the low ends. I don't like super hard bass, I like natural good quality bass. Though I didn't have any issues with the bass or the low ends, but a lot of you commented on my video that you had issues with the bass. So you wanted it and you got it. Enter the Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition. But is it as simple as that? No, it is not. There are a few other changes as well, so keep watching till the end to find out what the changes are and how is it better than the usual Bullets Wireless Z. Hello everybody, this is Arijit, let's take it easy. So this is the box packaging of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition. The Bass Edition packaging looks a little different. So now let's unbox it. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It means a lot. It inspires me a lot to make more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free. Hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future videos and updates. So the box slides out like this, and at the top we have the Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition itself. Next we have a small red colored box. Everything inside is red, by the way, usual OnePlus style. And inside this small box you will get a red Cable Club card. I'm not sure what to do with it. We also have a piece of documentation. Let's keep it aside. And we have a small USB to Type-C cable. Oh, and by the way, we also have some extra pair of ear tips which I almost forgot to show. These are large and small size tips. The medium size should be installed by default. So this is the neckband Bluetooth earphone itself, the Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition. Let's remove it from this enclosure kind of thing and remove a few wrappings, and this is how it looks, just like the Bullets Wireless Z maybe, but it has a lot of differences as well. To start with, it's a new color variant and the cable is not completely smooth. It has a texture. Now let's check it out in details. These controllers or the capsule shaped pods, whatever you wanna call it, these are metallic and the earphones are metallic as well. The earphones look identical to the Bullets Wireless Z. They are matte towards inside and glossy outside, and towards the outside of these earphones there is a kind of shimmering effect with the reflection of light. The earphones are angled inside and there is a protruding part, and these things make the grip really good, and the ear tips are grippy as well. They are soft and rubberized and comfortable for long-term usage. The neckband and the cables are made of some kind of rubberized material and they feel strong and durable for long-term usage. The cable has a different texture which was not there at Bullets Wireless Z. It has a kind of horizontal lines or stripes, and by touching the cables you can feel the texture as well. As you can see, the earbuds are magnetic and the magnets are quite strong, I would say. The magnetic earbuds work as the power button of the Bullets Wireless Z and the Bass Edition as well, of course. If you detach the earbuds, the Bluetooth earphone is powered on. If you attach them again, it is powered off. And when it is powered on and you are playing a music or video, if you attach the earbuds, it will turn off and the music or the video will pause. If you detach the earbuds and turn it on again, the music is not playing, at least in my phone. Maybe in some other phones, especially in OnePlus phones, maybe the music or the video will resume. I don't use the OnePlus phone, so I can't tell you whether the resume function works or not. The quality of the buttons is good with good tactile feedback. However, in terms of Bullets Wireless Z, the position of the buttons or the buttons controller was different. It was on the cable of the left side of the neckband. But with the Bass Edition, the buttons are embedded with the neckband itself on the left side of the neckband, as you can see. On the Bullets Wireless Z, there was a quick switch button on the left side of the neckband, But with the base edition, the button has been removed. With the quick switch button on the Bullets Wireless Z, you could switch between two paired devices very easily. You just have to double tap the button and it can switch between two paired devices. But in this case, with the base edition, the button is not there, so you have to use the Bluetooth settings of your devices. It is IP55 water resistant, just like the Bullets Wireless Z, and the weight is 26 grams, 2 grams lesser than the Bullets Wireless Z, which was already lightweight, and it is even 2 grams less. I recommend you to watch the review of the Bullets Wireless Z for more details. I will link it in the I button and in the video description and in the pinned comment as well. So check it out. Like the Bullets Wireless Z, the Bluetooth version is 5 and the Bluetooth range is very good. In fact, it is excellent. I was really impressed with the range. And one more thing I was impressed with is the connection speed. Once you pair it with your phone and you turn it on, it just connects instantly, almost. Maybe 2 seconds. By the time you put it on, it is already connected. Pairing is also very simple. You just turn it on and pair with your phone or whatever other devices you want. The buttons work just like the Bullets Wireless Z. You can just single tap the function button, that is the button in the middle. You can single tap it to play or pause or receive or disconnect a call. You can double tap it to play the next music or video, and to go to the previous music track or video you can triple tap. And if you press and hold for 2 seconds, it will summon the virtual assistant of your phone. And with the plus and the minus button, you can increase or decrease the volume. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Just like the Bullets Wireless Z, I like the overall sound quality. It is the base edition, so of course the bass or the low ends are better, much better in fact. In terms of vocals, I would say the Bullets Wireless Z is a little better. It's not like the vocals are bad in this case, but just because the bass is a bit higher and harder, the vocals are a little less audible. Not very much, but a little. I don't think there is a lot of difference for the high ends, but the overall volume is a little higher with the Bullets Wireless Z base edition. So just because of the higher volume, I think the high ends might sound a little better, and also the bass is better, so that complements the high ends as well. So it's a kind of illusion that the high ends are sounding better, but it is what it is. Anyways, it is the base edition and the bass or the low ends are much better. If you talk about instrument separation, that is a little better with the Bullets Wireless Z. If you like good sound quality with natural bass, Bullets Wireless Z is for you. But if you listen to the kind of music that has higher level of bass like rap or hip hop or whatever, or if you just love hard bass, you can go with the Bullets Wireless Z base edition. For the overall sound quality, I would again give it 9 out of 10, and for bass I would give it 10 out of 10. And guys, one thing I would like to clear, price has an influence on the ratings I give to the products I review. So if a product offers better value for money, it will get higher ratings. As simple as that. It is available in 2 colors. This one is Reverb Red and the other one is Bass Blue. The price is same as well, 1,999 rupees, approx 27 US dollars. The link for the Bullets Wireless Z and the base edition both will be down in the video description and in the pinned comment. So check that out, and if you purchase using our links, you pay the same price, but it definitely helps the channel. At last, talking about the battery life, the battery life has decreased a little. It was 20 hours with the Bullets Wireless Z, and with the base edition it is now 17 hours with a full charge. It has warp charge, which is basically fast charge by OnePlus. If you use basically any power adapter or charger, it can receive fast charge. You don't need any special adapter for that, which is of course a good thing. And if you charge it for 10 minutes, you will get 10 hours of playback time, which is awesome. And I think it takes less than 1 hour for a full charge. If you keep the volume level at 40% I think or less, you'll get almost 17 hours of playback time. At least 15 or 16 hours you will definitely get. Though it's not a deal breaker, a very small issue, but it would have been better if there was a cover or flap for the USB Type-C port. Yes, it is IP55 water resistant, but still I think a flap or a cover for the Type-C port could have been better. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If you love the kind of videos we are making, please go ahead and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free. You can hit the red subscribe button down there or the round channel logo on screen, then click on subscribe. Hit the bell icon for future updates and notifications about the upcoming videos. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop a comment. So that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.